Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I want to share with you some things that I've made before, but I've only done them once, maybe twice, but I want to do them again. And I also want to share with you some techniques that I really want to improve on or really learn how to do. So let's get started. So the patterns that I'm going to share with you now, generally I've made them one time and I really love them, and I always intend to get back around to making them again, and I haven't done it yet, so I really want to. The first thing I'm going to share is this Berta Style magazine pattern. It is from May of 2019. I made this dress here, and I did make changes to the pattern. I made it short sleeve, and I added pockets because the pattern did not include pockets. I love the dress. I still have it. I still wear it. And I do have some pictures of as many of these things that I can find where I've made them. I will show them to you. I'll show you the pictures. But basically it's a shirt dress. It was pretty simple to make, but this is just one of those things that I really want to get around to making another one, because the dress gets so much use still ever since I made it. And so I would love to have another one, and that would be a great thing to do. Next up is the closet core. Now Sasha trousers. I really love this pattern. I had gotten some Ponte knit. I believe this pattern is for a stretch woven fabric. I'd gotten some thick Ponte knit, which was perfect for like fall and winter, and I made these pants. I believe I made this view here with the pockets, and I love them. I wore them until they didn't fit anymore. So I want to be able to make another pair of those, because it was just such a nice pant and just went with a lot of things. So that's something that I would love to do again. I made them before in like a charcoal gray, so something like that would be nice for the fall winter time. So that is the next pattern I would really like to get back to. Now next up is actually one of my most recent makes. It is the Audrey denim jacket from Seamwork Patterns, and I absolutely love this jacket. I made it in a white stretch denim, which I did a video on, but the only thing that I would change is that these flap pockets, these flaps they're actual flaps, but there's no pocket behind it, and I want a pocket because that's traditional for jean jackets, is to have that pocket. So that's the only thing that I would change, is to actually make that flap into a pocket opening, which should be fairly easy to do. But I think this is just a wardrobe staple. It fits great. It was a lot of pieces, but not difficult to do. So this is another item that I would love to get around to making again. And the next pattern that I have is Hot Patterns. What is this one? Fast and Fabulous Montpelier dress. It's this one here. This is an older Hot Patterns pattern, but I've made this before. I also still have this dress, and I love it. The changes that I made to mine are I did shorten the length a bit, and I think I slimmed it down a little bit because it just seemed really wide on me. It's a very nice, easy, casual dress to wear and to make. I used a washable linen blend. It's a navy blue dress, washable linen blend that I made mine from. And like I said, I still have it. I still wear it. And yeah, I really enjoy this dress and this pattern. It was not difficult to put together. So this is another one that I would make again. Now, I mentioned the other trousers that I have, that I've made, that I want to do again. Here's another one. This is also a fairly recent make as well. This is the duet trousers from Love Notions. I've had this pattern for quite a while and just never made it, but when I did, which was not all that long ago, a couple months ago maybe, I love it. It's just They're easy to wear. They're super comfortable to put on. And, you know, it's made for ponte knit or woven. So you can do woven or knit. I made mine from ponte knit. So they're just really comfortable. I love things that are comfortable, easy to make and easy to wear, and that go with a lot of different things that I already have. So I have some more of that same fabric that I use in different colors. I have it in 2 different colors that I can use to make another pair of the Love Notions duet trousers. So I think that's something else that I might go ahead and attempt. Now's a good time for me to remind you to go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you don't mind. If you like the content that I have, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified the next time I upload a new video. Now, as far as techniques are concerned, there are a couple of things, and actually there's a couple of these patterns that actually feature the techniques that I'm wanting to improve on. One, of course, being welt pockets. The Audrey denim jacket has welt pockets. The Sasha pants have, I believe that has welt pockets for the back pockets. I think that's it for the things that I showed you. So that's a technique that I really want to get better at, because I kind of panic almost every time I have to do those in a garment. So I want to basically get more confident in doing those. And I think it's not that difficult because I did them for the denim jacket that I made and I did not have any problem. But I also attribute that to really good instructions and also a very good video that really shows you as well how to do them well. So with those 2 things combined, it was not an issue for me to get those done and do them well. So that's something that I do want to improve on and just gain more confidence with. As far as, oh, well, the next thing is I want to learn how to use, I have this hemmer. It's like basically a rolled hem foot. And what this does is when you're turning in on a hem, you know, you put the fabric into the little notch and it rolls it and you stitch. Now I know you don't need that foot in order to do that because I've done it without it. But the point is I want to use the foot because I have it and I want to learn how to use that. So I have this is my Bernina, what is this called? Big book of feet. And so they show you all the different ones, and the book shows you different techniques and how to do that. You can use these also for scalloped edges, which is also nice. But that's something else I want to actually learn how to use the rolled hem foot on my sewing machine, because it's one of those things you have to practice. And at least that's what I found. And that's what other people have said as well. You kind of have to practice with it a little bit in order to get good with it. So I do want to learn how to do the rolled hem with the rolled hem foot. So that is a technique that I want to learn how to do soon. So that is it for my list of things that I want to try again, either as far as patterns that I've made once already, so I know I can do it again, but I want to do it again, and techniques that I want to learn how to either do for the first time or to really gain more confidence with. So tell me in the comments, what about you? Do you have patterns that you want to be able to use again, and techniques or whatever that you want to learn how to do? I know everyone's always into buying more patterns, and honestly, I have bought, I did buy some more patterns recently, and so I will be sharing those with you at a later time. But taking those, only using them one time, sometimes you know if something's not fitting you right, or if the process was just convoluted or the instructions were convoluted and you're like, okay, I'm done with this. But other times you've done it, you like it, and it seems like we never get it back around to doing it again. So let me know in the comments, what would your choices be for something like that if you wanted to do a pattern over again. But that is it for this video. I thank you all for watching. Like I said, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.